Have you been rolling this whole time? Those look aggressive. As we discussed before, we got the 1.5-inch spacer for the back of the car. So what we did was we got an 1.5-inch bigger lips and an 1.5-inch smaller barrels. So it'll go from like this 1-inch lip to a 3.5-inch lip, and it'll look way better in the back, and it'll clear the push rod and everything, and we won't have to run the spacer. And yeah, I mean, it's just gonna look way more aggressive like it should. They'll go from an 18 by 9.5 plus 45 to an 18 by 10 something. But no, yeah, they'll look way more aggressive, and it'll go to 10s, a little more traction in the back. I think all around it'll just make it look way better. Much more better. So these wheels are obviously extremely nice, and the big thing is that I believe all this hardware is titanium, and then it's anodized black. So, and it also uses a Torx bit. So like their setup is kind of unique in general. So what I've been doing is just using a piece of thin plastic, and then I put this over the Torx bit before I insert it into the hardware. And then the way I always build wheels is you basically just hold this side steady, and then you loosen the nut from the back, so that then you're kind of eliminating any possibility of messing up the hardware that you'll see on the outside of the wheel. And the nice thing about these is that they're face-mounted wheels, so you can tell the hardware is like countersunk into the face. So once these last couple pieces come out, the face is just gonna pop off, and I don't have to separate this lip and barrel at all, and I can kind of just keep it as one piece, and then we can hang it on the wall or do whatever we want to preserve it, because this is a US standard face, so it's a 40 hole face. These barrels and lips aren't trash by any means. Like, they can be sold or they can be used on any other wheel that we want to do in the future. But I mean, it's kind of a weak lip, but you never know when you need something. They're brand new. They have 0 miles on them, so it would be a shame to junk something like that. Might have to play catch here in a second, just in case this does drop out. What's up? They're thickies. They were in trying to get it so we can drop this in here. Like a glove. Those look aggressive. I think that's a north. This is a north. Wowzers. Much more better. Benefit of running a face mount or a reverse mount lip, or face, I guess, to lip and barrel. The benefits of running either a face mounted or a reverse mounted face is that it's not sandwich mounted, so like the amount of sealant you have to put in this ridge is substantially less. And it's kind of like what we just did. You can almost quick change faces into different offset wheels if you really wanted to. And then you can technically take the face off to polish your wheels without taking your tires off, because polishing around your hardware is a pain in the ass. Everybody knows that. So you could just deflate your tire if it's not stretched too much, and then pop your face out, and you could fully polish your wheel, put your face back on, and then everything would just look way better. But yeah, let's assemble this pig. Gotta find Loctite. Such a silly lucky boy. Well, I guess we can fucking do the damn thing, huh? Yeet, yeet, brother. I don't think that motor has anything to do with it. I think we just gotta find the right plug. Hellcat motor. I gotta delete all that. No, that's fine. Like what? You're stupid. What do you mean you ain't got no part for an rocket in here? Hey, what do you mean? It's on a mermaid. It's always so new and different. No. Fuck. Looks pretty cool. It's a heavy ass wheel. Pick me up, pick you up, pick whatever up, brother. That's what that's called. I was never into WWE.
That's just sound.
Time! Just kidding, not bad. Kind of looks like a bag of dicks, but it'll work.
Grab it. Four.
Well, what do you ain't? Right here, ain't. So we had a half an inch more clearance between the fender, right?
Oh, because it is 1.5 inches less back spacing, but it's
2 inches of lip more. Go way more.
We had a kid who was a foreign exchange student from Japan. He was like 4th to 5th grade, and
Are you been rolling this whole time? Yeah. Oh, fuck. The Vossens came back from getting tires on. Our friends, the bead blasters, always take care of that. They do a really good job. We're 1/2 inch wider on those wheels, so we were able to use the same tires. We just have a little bit more of a stretch on them, which I personally prefer the look of that. Got another pop out for the Type 3. Hopefully we can get these wheels on and dial in some fitment on the back of the car. Because they're 1/2 inch wider, might have to roll some fenders today. Might have to do a couple suspension adjustments. I think we talked previously about ordering this. Nice and shaky. Oh, I said nice and shaky. yeah, I mean, the best thing you can do for the channel is to keep watching our videos and share it with a friend. Can't really ask you to do more than that, and we'll see you guys next time. Now we gotta figure out how to air it back up.